Welcome to the world of investing, where we're going to take a closer look at something called stocks. Think of this like a cool cartoon adventure that explains what stocks are and how they work. So let's jump right into it. What are stocks anyway? At its heart, a stock is like owning a piece of a company. Imagine you and your friends sharing a giant pizza. Each slice of that pizza is a share of the company. The more slices you have, the more you own of that company. And if the company makes money, you get a piece of the profits too. Why do companies use stocks? Companies use stocks for different reasons. It's a bit like when you and your friends collect money to buy a new game or a cool gadget. Companies need money too, but they can't just ask friends. Instead, they sell tiny parts of their company, stocks, to people who want to invest. This way, they can use that money to make their business better and bigger. How does stock stuff work? Imagine there's a special market where people buy and sell stocks. It's kind of like trading cards or toys, but with pieces of companies. This market is called a stock exchange. The prices of stocks go up and down because of how many people want to buy or sell. If lots of people want to buy, the price goes up. If many people want to sell, the price goes down. Bulls and bears? Huh? Ever hear about bullies and teddy bears? Well, the stock market has its own kind of words: bull market and bear market. A bull market is when everything is great and prices are going up. It's like everyone's happy and excited. But a bear market is when things are a bit gloomy and prices are going down. People aren't as happy then. Investing versus trading. What's the diff? Okay, so imagine you get some cool stickers. You can either keep them because they might be worth more later, that's investing, or you can trade them with your friends to get something cool right now, that's trading. With stocks, some people buy and hold them for a long time, hoping they'll grow in value. Others try to make quick moves and earn money from price changes. The good and not so good sides. Just like a video game, stocks have their own ups and downs. The good part is you can make money if the company does well. You might even get some extra money called dividends. But there's a catch. Prices can be really crazy. Sometimes they jump up, and other times they drop down. So it's smart to be careful and not put all your money in one place. Mix it up with diversification. Imagine having a bunch of different types of game cards. If one gets lost or breaks, you still have others, right? Well, that's kind of like diversification with stocks. Instead of putting all your money into one company, you spread it out across many different ones. That way, if one company isn't doing so well, it won't hurt you too much. Think long-term playing the stock market is a bit like growing a garden. It might not look great every day, but over time, it usually gets bigger and better. So patience and sticking to your plan are really important. Even if the stock market gets a bit crazy in the short run, things often work out well in the long run. Example: imagine you're in Apple's magical world, where they create incredible stuff like iPhones and iPads. When Apple makes something awesome, like a new iPhone, everyone gets excited and wants to buy it. This excitement also makes people want to buy Apple stock, which is like owning a piece of Apple. But here's the trick. There are only a limited number of Apple stocks available. When a lot of people want to buy them, the price goes up, just like when a hot toy becomes super popular and costs more than it used to. So if you already have Apple stock, it becomes more valuable. And if you want to buy it, you might have to pay more because so many people want it. That's how Apple's stock goes up. You can find more great content on our Instagram, Discord, or Telegram group. All links are in the description below the video. Conclusion. So there you have it, stocks in a nutshell. From owning parts of companies to the roller coaster ride of the stock market, stocks are a big part of how money moves around. Whether you're curious about the long game of investing or the quick moves of trading, learning about stocks is like gaining a superpower for your money journey. If you liked this video and want to see more, give us a like and subscribe to our channel.